Today we're showing you a Deere 312GR skid loader. This is a 2019 year model. This unit was traded in locally here from a hobby farmer. He basically wanted a little bit larger machine with a cab, so he traded this back in. Got the counterweight kit on it. It's got the flat free wheels on it. Practically looks brand new. Does have a little bit of factory warranty that goes with the machine yet. Hold on cutting edge. It does have foot controls. Beautiful machine, has approximately 35 hours. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us at masttractor.com. We do offer financing. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have questions, please contact us again at masttractor.com.